Hello students, today we are going to solve third numerical of PERT. Question is given as a typical serious candidate for civil services examination takes no less than 25 minutes to answer a question and sometimes as much as 48 minutes. It means that the optimistic and pessimistic time is already given in the question. 35-minute times are more frequent than any other time. It means that the most likely time will be equals to 35 minutes. If the performance were an activity in a PERT project, estimate expected time to answer a question, its variance and the time to be allocated for answering a question in scheduling the project. Now we have the optimistic time equals to 25 minutes, most likely time equals to 35 minutes and the pessimistic time equals to 48 minutes. Now the first question is we have to calculate the estimated expected time. So it will be equals to TE, whose formula is T naught plus 4Tm plus TP divided by 6. On putting the value of T naught, Tm and Tp here, that is 25 plus 4 into 35 plus 48 divided by 6, the estimated expected time will be equals to 35.5 minutes. That will be the time of the activity. Now we have to calculate the variance, that is sigma square, and we know the formula of sigma square. It will be equals to Tp minus T naught by 6 whole square. On putting the value of Tp as 48, T naught as 25 divided by 6 whole square, on solving this, we will have the variance equals to 14.69 minute square. Similarly, we will find the allocated time for answering a question and it will be equals to the expected time of the activity and it will be same as 35.5 minute. That is all about this numerical. Thank you very much, students.